All right, today we're going to do your vocabulary entry for the root words ped and pod, which means foot. You're going to need this foot page, which isn't colored when you get it. You'll need your definitions that have your homework page on the back. Okay, and then you will also need something to write with, scissors, and glue, as always. Okay, if you want to color these, you can color these, but your coloring should go pretty quickly. It does not need to take a long time. If you don't want to color, that's totally fine. After you finish, you're going to cut out your feet. You're going to want to cut out like a little bit bigger than the foot. That way it gives you some more room to write. So you're not cutting out each individual toe. I'm going to say that again. You are not cutting out each individual toe. So you'll end up with it looking like that. Okay? You're going to do that for each of your feet. Cut them out larger than the actual size of the foot. It'll give you more room to write. Do not cut out each foot, each little toe individually. That will take forever and it won't look very good. And it defeats the purpose of writing your definitions underneath, which you'll see in a minute. Okay, so I'm just going to cut out 3 so I can show you how they go in. Okay, so your feet can go in however you wish, but you're only gluing at the toes. So you're only going to put your dots, remember just dots. You're only putting it at the toe. Because you're going to write your definitions underneath. So like this is just talking about the root word, ped and pod. It already says foot on it, but I'm just going to write foot underneath it so that I remember. Okay, and then I'm going to do pedestrian. I'm going to do it right here. I'm just putting the glue on the toe. Okay, then I'm going to fold it up and write my definition underneath it. So a pedestrian is a person walking in a city or along a road. You're going to have to write kind of small, guys. Okay? So I have my definition underneath the foot. Then I'll do podiatrist. Just put your glue. Ooh, I did way too much there. Just put your glue on the toe. Put it on your paper. You're going to have to put them kind of close so that they all fit. Okay, podiatrist, I'll fold it up. I'm going to write my definition. A doctor who treats injuries and diseases in the foot. Of the foot. Okay, so I have my definition there. It's okay if it sticks out a little bit. Okay, so once you have all of your feet on here, it'll be 6 feet. You need to write your definitions for your other words, counter through contrary, on the bottom. Okay, if for some reason you don't have enough room, you can write on the back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put mine on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put my little bullet, and I'm going to write counterfeit. Something that is made to look like an exact copy of something else in order to trick people. Okay, and then I would go to my next word, counterpart. Okay, so your feet will go on the top and your words will go on the bottom. Okay, once you're done with that, you can move on to working on your homework.